Hi, my name's Jonny. I'm one of the physios at Paul Gough Physio Rooms. So I'm talking to you today about swimming. We have a lot of patients that come to see us that actually do really enjoy swimming. They might have changed from doing one sport to swimming as a result of issues with their joints as well. And we do try to encourage this sort of activity. It's quite low impact. If people are struggling, particularly like with the knees, walking down the stairs, if they're struggling reaching up for things in the cupboards, discomfort if they enjoy playing tennis, they can't do that at the moment. It's quite a good sport to be able to transition between being injured and back into the things that they enjoy, or just if they enjoy swimming. We don't like taking patients away from the things that they enjoy because there's a lot of proof that people improve a lot quicker when they're doing something they enjoy. But it's just it might be a possibility of adapting the type of sport that they're doing. So if someone is having significant shoulder injuries or significant shoulder issues, we would first assess in here and we'd have a look and come up with a diagnosis to what might be happening, and then advise on how they can modify swimming to assist their recovery. That might be the case of modifying the type of stroke that they're doing. Instead of always doing front crawl, they might be able to do breaststroke, which takes the arm into a slightly different position. The same would apply if they're having issues with the hips, the knees. You know, it's less weight bearing. They can still get the full movement in the joint, which helps to nourish it. It reduces the chance of the joint wearing down alongside building strength up as well.